Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave shit so you don't have to. Today, I'm going to be doing these earbud headphones. I had to get some new ones, so I figured why not destroy the old shitty ones that don't work right anymore in a microwave. And here is Monty, the Montgomery Ward microwave. Okay, and let's open them up. Stick in these earbud phones. And how long should I do it for? I'm thinking 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Damn, none of these buttons work. Man, it looks like the Listerine did something after all. Jesus Christ, what is it with me and new microwaves? None of them seem to last past 4 episodes anymore. It's like a curse. And Monty technically still works, but isn't really functional, so this is a retirement. It's like I'm gonna have to swap them out again after 4 episodes for a microwave that actually works. Being called out of retirement once again is Big Jareth, the Goblin King, the Kenmore BEAST of microwaves. I'm gonna open them up. Just I know how take care of these shitty headphones. Right. Figure 5 minutes will be enough. Right, that's enough. Can't really see in there anymore. And to put this out. Oh, I was surprised it caught fire that quickly. But that was definitely an interesting result. Right. Time to remove the post-product. What's left of it? That's, I guess, all that's left. Rest of it just burn up. Kind of like the ping pong balls. Actually, it just fused to the bottom of the microwave. Oh boy. That's really all that could be salvaged of that. Now, if you want my opinion on whether or not to do this at home, absolutely not. This didn't just take time to catch fire like other things, it instantly did. It made a pretty good flare-up, about like that Rubik's Cube, except again it did so instantly. I'm going to declare this dangerous.